Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. This is part 7, the last part of the December 2022 Patreon. Hope you do like it, and thank you guys for being with me for almost the end of the year. Hope you guys have a great Christmas and upcoming New Year's. And check out our Patreon, Discord, and our Etsy store. Like the channel and subscribe. Leave a comment as well. I do read, I do reply, and let's get at it. So we have these dairy miniatures. They look more like Elden Ring minis. That's coming out in Dark Souls as well. It looks more and more like it. And that looks like an ornament that we don't really need right now. What's the welcome pack? I have all of these. Okay. Want. Well, we can just see it without the music, so I don't get demonetized. So it's like a minute long. Holy shit. The fuck did he do? But it looks more like Elden Ring. There you go. What you can get. I'd rather see the damn pictures. That was just eye hurting. So we have this for Beasterium. If you like to do Elden Ring style game, that's probably it for you guys. Or Dark Souls style game as well for your campaign. Or if you have the board game, you can just print these out and do what you need to do. So these are pretty cool looking as well. And I am going to be starting my own campaign by mid of next year. So I need to start figuring out what to make for it. It's going to be dark. I know that. It's going to be very dark game. Probably a lot of Elden Ring, Dark Soul influences in it, and so forth. But yeah. But it looks really good. So if you guys, it's like $10 for all of these, and it's really awesome. Plus the welcome pack that we just saw not that long ago. I will just actually print this in red translucent resin, so that I can just put LED light inside something inside the orifices and light it all up, and it'd be like burning red for it. But it looks pretty good, I would say. I hope you like dark stuff. Wife Ashley does as well. So that looks pretty damn good. Night. I got finished printing the Dark Souls minis that I have as well. This guy's I really eat the most. I know that someone found an easier way to kill it by jumping on top and hitting it, and if there's a timer bomb, that just run out. But yeah, but it looks pretty cool. I know Elden Ring won Game of the Year as well. Well, let me know what you guys think about these minis. I think it's pretty damn cool. We have one page rule. Hope they released all of their shits. It's December. Get a big boss. It's like they're like legworks. Got rat folks. Inhuman, I think. It's really hard to see. But we do have some stuff. They're like $10 too, if you like your own Warhammer tabletop style gaming as well. This is really good to have. Your paper as well. Great Grimoire. They release all there. The Lionoids, Stoke, Heroes of Distress, Taming Beast. So we have Flying Monkeys. Where's the Wicked Witch of the West? We have the Christmas stuff as well. The Goblins and Sleighs, Krampus. So that looks going to be pretty cool. Greener mask. What is this? Green tinged. Okay. Okay. We have Inside a Heart of Tornado. Girl with a helm. I think that's supposed to be League of Legend or something like that. Mammoth Factory. What do you have for us for December? Undeads. More undeads. As a cool looking bone colossal. And we have Restless Corpse. Templar of the Rune. Looks like all stitched up too and not on. Forever Drone 6. Hunter Killer Drone. This would be pretty cool to use as well. This is like a bone golem, but they call the village. I'm guessing has all the villagers all melded into one. Restless Corpse. That looks pretty cool if you want to do some little bit dark stuff under this game as well. That's really up to you guys. How you guys want to do it? But yeah, that looks pretty damn awesome. Tell you the truth. Kind of scary looking, but pretty damn awesome. The Gondol the Dying. We have dragons. Alright, we have dwarves. That'll be it for that. Red clay. I think they're doing. So they're doing red Christmas clay loot bag. I think these are all free, looks like it, and I don't remember. Loxodon was last month, so this is what they're going to be doing. So we have a lot of oak Onis for it, so that's pretty good too. And these look like a lot of stuff from the welcome pack as well. Yeah, I guess that's what it is for this month. White Wolf Tavern. I feel like I already done this, but I don't really do any kind of photos, but we watched the video for it. Got some elves. The Reaper Goddess. I don't know. Looks like Thiefling. We have Skulls. Undead. Sage looks like it. Three-headed human hydras. Got some undead. Yeah, we actually done some of these, but now this is complete, so we can actually see it's a Necromancer caster set. So that looks pretty damn good. And Death Reaper set. That looks pretty good and good as well. Have multiple masks, humanoids. That looks pretty damn good. Yeah. Freaking take my money, I guess. That's Nom Nom figure. Look at that. Bite the Bullet. I don't know if they have anything out right now. They should have some stuff out. Should have a whole list of Christmas stuff as well. Let's see here. Gnome Wizards. We do need gnomes. We do need gnome wizards. We do need, we have the elementals that's out as well. We have a genie and different sorts of elementals. No, it's pretty damn cool to use and have. And also a full starter set, Legacy 40 Christmas. Limits of Blood. Your ooze, your ice, your wood elementals, air, fire, and your genie, your gen. I think it's the elementals that's coming up for it. You have your Christmas down here as well. OXT, making talent, and that'll be the last one for this month. I still see a ship. I already got the ship last month. I think there won't be anything for stuff for how first got necromancer hall structure. Oh, really? They're doing a necromancer hall structure for us. So we have a necromancer structure. That's what it's gonna look like. Well, anyhow, I hope you guys do enjoy it. Subscribe, like, and share if you guys haven't. Check our Patreon, Discord, and Etsy store. Let me know in the comments what you guys preferred me to do for next year, and I'm hoping to see you comment down as well. Hope you guys have a great New Year's coming up. See you guys next time. Bye.